Good afternoon, everyone. It's Felice from the IT department with another 5-minute training video. This one goes out with a heartfelt thank you to Dr. Ruggiero for helping me learn something new that I wanted to share with everyone else. This video deals with viewing the summary triage report on patients that have been discharged and who are no longer on the tracker. The summary triage report is viewable on patients currently in the facility who have not yet been discharged simply by selecting the patient from the tracker and coming over to the right side of the screen and clicking on the summary button right here. The summary button will then let you arrow down to triage report, tap the enter key. From here, you want to make sure that you have the word preview typed in all caps. Tap the enter key. This triage report will then be displayed nicely laid out with a very user-friendly format containing the vitals, the history, patient medications, chief complaint, and so on. In a situation where the patient has been discharged and is off the tracker, it's very, very easy to locate that report from your main menu. Instead of logging into the tracker from the main menu, you will look for the Reprint Summary Reports icon. Reprint Summary Reports, all you have to do is click on that icon, type in the patient name, and you will want to make sure that it's typed in all caps, last name first, no spaces between the last name and first name, except for that comma there. Once you type that in and click on the patient name, you will be in the report format box. That's where your cursor is blinking. And from there, it's just a matter of tapping F9 and locating the summary triage report and either clicking on it or typing in the report's number. In this case, the report is number 13. I would type it in and tap the enter key, or as I said, you can just click on it. Make sure you have preview typed in all caps in the print window, preview in all caps, tap the enter key, and that exact same report will then be displayed in the exact same format with all of the information you need for that discharged patient. Of course, this is a test patient, so a lot of data is missing and there's a bunch of empty white space. Don't worry about that. I promise you, when you do this in the real world, it'll look nice and it'll have everything you need for the patient. Again, that's the Reprint Summary Reports from your EDM main menu to view the summary triage on discharged patients. I hope the video has been helpful to you. Thank you so much for your time and attention. Please reach out to me or leave a comment on the video if you have questions, comments, or requests for future videos. Best wishes and have a lovely day. Bye-bye.